Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't greet you enough. Hey, my wonderful family, it is time, it is time, it is time. Hey, the hour that we have been waiting for is now. The day that we are waiting for is now. Hey, 2 seconds, we are already there. Live and direct in Finland, though. My brother, my sister, carry your jogo, your bag, your luggage, your clothes, everything. Oh, my people, they run right now. They go, they book your flight. Oh, they enter Biafra. On the 20th and 21st of October 2023. Now it is happening live and direct. Finland we go. If you really want this Biafra to come today, tomorrow, be more prepared or be more ready, because this self-referendum convention, we are there already. We want to see everything that is happening that day. If you are a Biafra and you really need the progress, and you really need the nation called Biafra, let's go there. Let's go there to go and shake Finland, though, that, the Biafras has come, they have arrived. See, without not wasting much of your time, progress the analyst. You know that I must definitely bring this on board in case you've forgotten. 20th and 21st of October 2023. That is starting from on Friday. It is happening live. The Biafra, as I said before, I'm not the one that is hosting this convention. The Biafra Prime Minister, he said all Biafras should represent in Finland, all Biafra should move to Finland, that there is going to be self-referendum. And we are here to give you the update. That now that we are told that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has finally sacked Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor and Michael Zekome Sam, we don't even know what is going on anymore, but we have to extend our greetings to the Biafra Prime Minister, the person of Mazi Simon Ekpa. We are greeting him because with what we are seeing, we cannot see anything.
That you people have come together to do, to come down to Finland. So we are telling you, welcome to Finland. And as you come down to Finland, or before you even enter Finland, do us the best, the very best of your own, to endorse your will, that is your dying will. Endorse that your dying will, and then you give it to your family. Tell them that you have made yourself willing to be used in Finland, because you're not going to come back. Take it from us, you're not going to come back. My honorable minister, I salute you. Welcome to the
I greet you, my honorable.
There for that side.
Thank God.
There we welcome. So, as I was saying, please remember to sign your will before you enter the flight. So when you sign your will, you leave everything to your remnants. Your remnants now could be maybe your child or your wife or your nephew or your niece or your mother or your father or your relation or even a friend who you love so much that you can leave some of the dirty pillows and cases and blankets and beds that you may have before you come down to Finland for your suicide mission, because that will be your end. So we welcome you that is coming to cause havoc in Finland. We already have everything on the table waiting for you. So as you come, the same way they send you the message, that is how they will pack you in body bags. And then they take you back to where you came from. We don't have big message or long message to give you people. We just came to give 2 messages. One is that we are in Finland and our hands are wide open to everyone to come in, and that you should be security conscious back home, because the zoo terrorists are planning to invade. Why? Because they see that our eyes are in Finland and all of us are in Finland. So we want you to understand that as we are in Finland, we have not locked out of our faces. Our faces where we control Biafra is still on. So we know everything that is happening. So you be security conscious back home and adhere to every instructions of away from zoo terrorist checkpoints, away from the barracks, away from the police stations and every governmental facilities of one Nigeria situated in Biafra land. Then, another message to those that are coming to Finland to cause havoc: come very well, but remember to prepare your will and sign it and deliver it to your families. That's the message. And then we appreciate everyone that have made this Finland convention a reality. We are here in Finland, and then we are going to come back safe and sound, and we will give you the report, and you will be seeing us live and direct. Thank you so much. While I leave.
So my beautiful family, as you can hear from him, a lot of people did not really understand that statement. They were like saying, oh, why are you wishing people that are coming this and people that are coming that? I just decide to bring it because some persons don't really understand. He is talking about those people that will be against the referendum conversion. That is the people that he is passing this message to. The people that are saying, oh, this self-referendum convention will never hold. And they are coming to Finland, though I have also heard it that a lot of people say they are coming to Finland to arrest Simon Ekpa. Some say they are coming to Finland to do 1315. Some say they are coming to Finland with enough policemen that they will arrest all the arrestable. You know why I'm not taking all these people serious? It's because of the Biafra Republic government house in Ezra in USA, when they say that if they see anybody, they are going to pick the person up. They say if they see anybody, they are going to scatter everything. Hey, Biafrans, they were really waiting with expectation. Now, the G-Day arrived and it was announced, oh, we are going to launch the Biafra Republic government house in Ezra in America. This is the day, the venue, everything. At there, till the beginning of the ceremony to the end, we did not even see anybody say they are making phone call, say they want to call police, say this place does not belong to them. Nobody. Everybody shocking. The thing was so peaceful. They finished the inauguration and everything. They returned back to their various destination in peace. My sister, my brother, till today, we did not hear ping from that area. So that is why they were shouting, we will come to Finland and do this. People were just like, please, oh, we are not believing anybody anymore. Seeing is believing. Okay, we are not believing all these people jumping up and down, say they will do this, they will do that. At the end of the day, they will not do anything. Those are the people that is now passing the message to, that they are fully ready to wait for anybody that is ready to come and cause anything in that place. So I think that his message is clear, because for people that said they will come and obstruct it, some people say they will come and they will shut down the hall. We are waiting. You know, I told my people that this Progress the analyst, I will bring up the update to you back to back, and you know I bring the truth, nothing but the truth. So just stay tuned, stay connected, because it's going to shock you again. So thank you so much, everyone. Please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the analyst. I bring you all the updates back to back. Thank you once again, and bye bye.